Most beginners pick options based on what looks cheap without realizing they're choosing something that might never matter. So today, we're going to fix that by breaking down in the money, at the money, and out the money, and how they actually affect your trade. Hey, I'm Eric with Option Alpha. This is Options in Plain English. Here's the simplest way to think about it. In the money means the option already has value right now. At the money means it's right on the edge, and out of the money means it has no real value yet. Or even simpler, if you could use an option right now and get a better price than the market, that's in the money. Think of it like buying concert tickets. In the money is like already holding a ticket people are willing to pay more for. At the money is like waiting online last minute and seeing what the price does. It could go either way. And out of the money is like buying tickets hoping demand spikes later. The trap is people go straight for the cheapest option, but what they really bought is hope. So instead of asking what's the cheapest, ask, does this already have value or does it need a move? All right, let's make this real. Right here, Netflix is trading at about $92.32. Everything in this options chain is based on that number. So let's start with the calls. If we go below the price, like 90, 91, 92, these calls are in the money. They already give you the right to buy below the current market price. That's real value. Right at the price, around 92 or 93, that's at the money. No built-in value yet, but it's right on the edge. A small move could change everything. Now you go above the price, 94, 95, 96, and higher, those are out of the money calls. They're cheaper because they need the stock to move up before they matter. Now let's flip it to the puts. This is where most people get confused, but it's the same idea, just reversed. So if we go above the price, 95, 96, 97, these puts are in the money because they let you sell at a higher price than the market right now. That's the real value. Right at the price again, around 92, 93, that's at the money. It's right on the edge. And then we go below that, 90, 89, 88, those are out of the money puts. They need the stock to drop before they become valuable. So what you're seeing is this, same stock, same expiration, but as we move through the strikes, we're shifting from already valuable to on the edge to needs a move. And the farther away you go, the more you're asking the stock to do. Now for a quick recap. In the money means it already has value. At the money means it's right on the edge. And out of the money means it needs a move. Next time you look at an options chain, ask which of these already has value and which ones are just possibilities. And that's how you take the guesswork out of options trading. In the next video, we'll talk about time and expiration because every option has a clock. And if you want a full structured track, the beginner's course is completely free at optionalpha.com. Subscribe for more options in plain English as we continue to take the guesswork out of options trading. I'll see you in the next video.